Remember your wedding day when you took your unbreakable vows of commitment and love for each other? Remember how you and your husband seemed unbreakable and indivisible by anyone or anything? Would you have believed that day that your man would turn unfaithful and a cheater one day? I know it's beyond heartbreaking to feel like that. In this video, I will disclose 9 reasons why married men fall in love with other women and how you can learn from these reasons as well. Even if your husband is not cheating on you right now, you should know the reasons why husbands seek love outside the house and you can act on it accordingly. It may seem insignificant since you are not there yet, but trust me, understanding the possible reasons for divorces and broken marriages helps a lot. You can quickly identify the red flags and then focus more on the areas which require more attention. Without further ado, here are the 9 possible reasons why a married man falls in love with another woman. Number 1. Financial greed. There are some women in society who attract men with their money, power, and position. They do not care if he is married or not. If she had her eyes on your husband and she kind of liked him, she can take any step further. Also, some men seek this powerful woman to advance in their careers or feel that they deserved a powerful woman like her. Number 2. Lack of high value in you. Men are attracted to high value women like a magnet. If you lack that high value, men can seek that value in some other woman. If you don't know who's a high value woman, she is a woman who is confident, independent, and can make any man chase her if she wants to. It is very important for every wife to raise her standards and achieve the status of a high value woman if they never want to get cheated. But how can you achieve this status and quality which the majority of men crave for? If you are interested in becoming a high value woman, I have disclosed some secret methods and training techniques in my ebook. Also, I have included a few training videos which will make your husband fall madly in love with you again and get completely obsessed with your personality and character. Get instant access to my ebook and videos absolutely free. Remember, they are available for free only for a limited time. Grab it before it's too late. Number 3. Emotional disconnection. There are phases in marriage when both the partners wonder if they ever were in love. They no longer feel any emotional bonding with each other. During these times, some men seek emotional satisfaction in other women. They start sharing their lives and experiences with any other woman and start getting attracted to her. At this time, you might be busy somewhere else or something else might be your priority. This might have caused a communication gap and drifted him away from you. As a result, he may want to find the attention you are not giving him somewhere else in another woman. And this is one of the top reasons why a married man could fall in love with another woman. Number 4. Uncontrollable attraction for someone. Even when you are married, there are times when you feel an uncontrollable attraction towards someone. When a man meets a woman like this, there are chances that he can fall in love with her if the woman's ready as well. This is especially true for those men who have lost interest in their wives. This is another strong reason for men falling in love elsewhere. Number 5. To seek revenge. This is sad, but sometimes a married man falls in love with another woman for the sake of revenge. Couples should openly discuss their unhappiness or any marriage problems they face. If they try to sweep the issues under the carpet, they allow misunderstanding, resentment, or hatred to grow in them. If these problems are unresolved for a very long time, they take the form of hatred. This hatred can not only cause severe negative impacts in your marriage but can even ruin it totally. Sometimes, out of this feeling of hatred or revenge, men date another woman. Number 6. To validate that he is still attractive. This may seem silly to you, but men do test the waters to see if they are still attractive and if they can still make a woman fall in love with him. In some cases, it all starts as casual friendships until men start to like the attention and care that is being given to them by that woman. At this time, the man begins to feel superior and engages with that woman to prove a point. He seeks validation from another woman that he may not be receiving from his wife. Number 7. To have fun. Sometimes, even if men are happy in their marital life, they love attention from ladies. Most of the times, the man involved can't control his lust. It begins with frequent eye contact and a casual affair, which results in an issue eventually. Further, they don't feel such an action is wrong and they call it fun. To them, being married doesn't mean that they can't have fun too. Number 8. For sex. You might be aware of the fact that men love and crave sex. Sometimes in married life, wives put sex on a hold. At this point in time, if another woman comes into his life and gives him the attention and care he wants, he will feel attracted and find sex with her. Research shows that most men who have sex with another woman when they are married eventually fall in love with her. Number 9. He finds the woman interesting. Sometimes men get attracted to a woman because they share the same interests. If a man who's an artist meets another woman who's also an artist, there are chances that the same interests can help them fall in love eventually. Slowly, he likes to spend more time with her and gets attracted to her. He also finds other traits and qualities in her that he may not find in his wife. This might not be physical attraction, but an attraction due to the qualities that his wife lacks. What can you do to get him back? Do you want your husband or boyfriend to fall in love with you again and never even think of cheating on you again? If yes, please grab my free ebook and training videos, which will surely turn you into the most confident version of yourself. There are certain secrets and methods that cannot be shared on public platforms like YouTube. Therefore, get instant access to my ebook and videos for free only for a limited time. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Like and share it with your friends if this video helped you by any means. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.